All right, I'm excited to go over this with you. This is our Treasure Island project. This house was flooded back in the storms in last October. Had about 6 inches of water in this house. As we went through the design process with a customer, they asked not only could we restore the house, but could we open it up? So when you look at the before of this project, there was walls behind us closing this area off. 2 walls, the kitchen was closed in and kind of a tight feel to it. Now you can see the open space and the open concept design. We were able to put some beams, some large beams in the ceiling to carry the loads of the roof. And now this beautiful open concept, you can just really see behind me this kitchen and this living room. It just ties everything together, gives you a much more modern feel. And if you are looking for this kind of opening up of the space, go to tampakitchenandbath.com or visit our social media sites.